Baby crab.
On videotaping.
Oh, hey.
You wanna make it talk?
Look how big this fucker is. Oh, look.
Damn.
Right in front of the face, dog. No. Just leave it right in front of you right now. Spread that shit.
So freaky.
Look at that shit. Look how big that shit is.
Turn it around. Look at his eyes.
No. You see how much is a crab? Look how much meat is in this bitch. Look how much meat is in that.
I want to eat it.
Right?
When you guys gonna cook it?
Mom, I got it from my mom, so sorry. I don't know if you can taste it.
Oh, that's alright.
I don't know if you can taste it.
They get that at the supermarket?
You gonna save it for Mother's Day?
Dog, like, look, you catch it like this, you motherfucker get fighting, dog. Like, oh, shit.
Oh, it was fighting you?
Yeah, dog, this fucker, Sully, even though his fucking claws is this big, this fucker can fight, dog. He was licking me then. Oh, dog. Yeah, it was licking me, dog, but guarantee if it was you would have been sleeping already.
Why wouldn't you?